GPS trackers can come in very handy, whether to keep a tab on your vehicle or any other item, or to make sure you can be tracked by your friends and family when you go hiking or trekking any different adventure. GPS trackers can even track the tagged items on the other side of the world. So if you are looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Our list begins with the Yepzon Freedom 3G GPS Tracker. It is the first personal safety device combining an SOS alarm button with 3 tracking technologies, including the world's first Wi-Fi indoor positioning. You can add as many Yepzon devices to your smartphone as you want. With the easy-to-use Yepzon app, you can see all your loved ones on a map at one glance and track more closely any specific device if needed. The Yepzon device is paired directly with a smartphone, with no user info, registrations, or passwords required. The Micro 420 GPS Tracker is a real-time tracker that works on the 4G cellular network and is a highly reliable tracker with long battery life. This tracker is ideal for businesses or individuals who need a dedicated tracker that works on the most robust cellular network. Its real-time location tracking lets you see where the tracker is right now and everywhere it has been. The Logistomatics tracking app for iOS or Android enables you to track from any device and track it from any web browser. Additionally, install the tracking app onto your smartphone and place the Micro 420 inside a vehicle or on an asset to begin tracking immediately. Change the report frequency or get an instant location update at any time. The tracker battery is rechargeable, and the battery will last 7 to 10 days between charges. The Optimus 2.0 GPS Tracker enables you to keep an eye on the people and possessions that mean the most to you. Its small size makes the GPS tracker very portable. An internal motion sensor will help maximize battery charge when not in use by entering in standby mode. Follow the units tracked minute by minute on the user-friendly tracking website with Google Maps. Receive alerts to predefined SMS numbers and email addresses when the central button on the tracker has been pressed. Its battery charge can last up to 2 weeks depending on use, and you can set a low battery alert. Lastly, you will access all this information through the custom smartphone app or tracking website with Google Maps. Moving on, next on the list, we have the Spytech GL300. It comes with cutting-edge GPS technology that keeps you up to date in real time. It provides location updates as often as every 5 seconds, and you can easily track moving people, assets, and vehicles. It has a geofence function that allows you to set up a perimeter on the map and alert when the target enters or leaves that area. You can also store up to a year of historical tracking data and even get custom reports summarizing the data you've gathered. With the help of advanced satellite technology, you will know precisely where your target is, to within 15 feet. Besides, with a battery life that lasts up to 2 weeks, it does not need constant recharging. Moreover, it has a 6-month extended battery pack available when you require an even longer battery life. Another advantage is that it is a top-of-the-line device that offers reliable service and advanced features at a budget-friendly price. The next product on the list is the Moto Safety GPS Tracker. It's a real-time 3G GPS tracker that helps improve driving for teenagers, senior drivers, or anyone who wants to encourage safe driving. With vehicle tracking, parents can monitor vehicle location, speed, and direction on Google Maps, and receive email or text message alerts based on teen driving habits. Also, it provides a comprehensive teen driving education course with driving report cards that use accurate vehicle tracking records. This system uses GPS tracking, captures key safe driving activities such as speeding, harsh braking, and rapid acceleration. You can set up curfew hours and receive alerts when your vehicle becomes active at past curfew. Last on the video, but at the top of the list, we have the Vinx Link GPS Tracker. It easily plugs into any vehicle's OBD2 outlet and comes with a 12-volt adapter for older cars and trucks. Through the OBD outlet, it monitors speed, braking, acceleration, location, and device tampering. It can also access a vehicle's diagnostic information to alert you to engine problems or other error codes. This unit comes with a SIM card and a year of service included, so it's ready to go right out of the box. Plus, it can be used in over 200 countries, so no matter where your company vehicles are, you can keep an eye on them. Additionally, this tracker also provides optional phone tracking for added location mapping capabilities. Hope you folks enjoyed our work. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Also, stay tuned with the channel for more videos.